I had started working my junior year summer going into my senior year, and I just got my full-time offer. So as a project engineer, my goal is to become a superintendent. So just following behind my mentor. I got a mentor, the North Stringer. Just been following behind him. And wherever he goes, I'm right there with him. My plan is to start traveling. Once I sign on, we have to go through a program. 6 months I'll be with a superintendent, 6 months I'll be working with MEP, then 6 months I'll be with SPW. So after I get through the program, start traveling. They have a mobility program, Colorado, Florida, Atlanta, Texas, California, like all. They're actually international, so you get extra money to travel. I love my team. Yeah, I just love work. Like, yeah, I'm really in love with it. I just bought a truck not too long ago, Silverado. Yeah, I bought it over the summer, so I was able to travel. I was in Georgia, working, getting some per diem, some pretty good money. I was able to come back, buy a truck. It's really surreal a little bit. I would say it's been a big jump. I kind of like already prepared for it a little bit because I was working throughout the school year, but just to jump from high school straight to real life in the real world, it's been a decent jump though.